heavy reels, and jack stands.
Really? There's got to be a better way.
There is. Start loading and delivering wire safer and easier on a ReelRover by Cero Wire.
I heard you got a ReelRover order?
Yeah, I'm about to send it over to the wire room, about to get it set up.
Made in the USA, we've packed the most valuable features contractors and distributors have been looking for in one wire management solution. The ReelRover easily integrates with wire paralleling equipment. The reel is permanently attached to the chassis. We provide drive adapters, allowing ReelRover to connect with your take-up machines. With multiple size starter holes in the drum, it easily handles different gauge wire.
It just makes it easy for just about any gauge I want to put in it, all the way from 8 gauge to 600. When you try to put it in like a Wimco, it's falling out and stuff like that. But in a Rover, you put it in a little small compartment, grabs it, no problems. So I do like that.
The ReelRover has 4 compartments for conductor wire and 1 free spinning ground compartment. No forklift, no disassembling and reassembling of unwieldy compartmentalized reel and A-frame. There's no learning curve. It's the same process your team uses today, just easier.
And if I'm running heavy wire with the ReelRover, I don't really have to worry about the machine either getting pulled back or taking a lot of the force. The Rover takes a lot of the force and it just sits there.
Highly mobile, ReelRover is delivered on a liftgate truck. Forklift slots let you move the ReelRover close to the job site. Here's where the amazing features take over. Shifting the right and left side gearboxes into neutral, ReelRover moves like a cart. One person can push up to 2,000 pounds of wire on a flat surface. But job sites are rarely flat and clean. Shifting the gearboxes into drive, the operator can stand alongside and turn the reel. The loaded ReelRover goes up and over debris, like 2x4s. It can also roll across packed gravel.
But having the ReelRover as a new option, making sure the customer knows how to use it. But I think once they've gotten, a little bit of a training session on how to use it and how to maneuver it, pretty much everybody that's used it likes it.
Hey, watch this! With both gearboxes in drive, one electrician spins the reel, climbing up to a 10-degree slope. The same technique allows you to control the speed going downhill. The gearbox allows the contractor to safely move the load down a ramp. Now that's a giant leap forward in job site mobility.
Well, it's safer. They don't have to deal with jack stands. They don't have to deal with multiple people trying to move it. One person can roll it, and maneuver it through a doorway.
Need to navigate a 36-inch door? No problem. And when you arrive at the pull zone, shift the gearbox into park on one side and drive on the other. Turning the reel, ReelRover pivots into the exact position to make your pull. No need for jack stands, extra room for wooden reels, checking and rechecking the setup, none of that. Set both gearboxes in park and you're ready to pull. One more feature. Unlock the free spinning ground reel and it turns independently of the conductors, staying in perfect sync through the pull.
This is very useful for us because when you're running the wire, eventually you can unlock it and it rolls by itself.
What we're doing this year is really focusing on gaining more customers, more relationships of the type of customer that we've been successful with in the past. And so we're leading in with ReelRover. I've never seen another wire company or another product like this that brings so much value to the equation.
When you've got feeder runs on your next job site, tell your distributor,
Put my order on a ReelRover.
from the distributor to the job site. It's the most efficient wire handling innovation in the USA.
Come on, let's get real.
Real close and real safe.
ReelRover.